Hi there, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet a rose flower bouquet. This rose looks great in a bouquet, a vase, and other home decor. I'm using about 30 yards of worsted weight yarn and a size G crochet hook. With the green yarn, chain 33. For row 1, skip the first chain and make 1 half double crochet in each chain across. At the end, you'll have a total of 32 half double crochet stitches on that row. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Make 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. At the end, you'll have 32 half double crochet stitches on this row. Fasten off and you'll eventually weave in those ends. With the pink yarn, place a slip knot on your hook and slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. For row 3, in each stitch across, we're going to make 2 half double crochet. At the end, you'll have 64 half double crochet stitches. For row 4, chain 4 and turn. That will count as 1 treble crochet stitch. Now make 6 more treble crochet in the same stitch space. 1, 2, and 6. Technically, there are a total of 7 treble crochet stitches there, counting that initial chain 4. Skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make 7 treble crochet stitches in the next stitch. 1 and 7. Skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet. Continue on in this pattern, alternating 7 treble crochet with single crochet. So you'll skip 2 and place 7 treble, then skip 2 and single crochet. At the end, you'll place your last single crochet in the last stitch. For row 5, you'll start with a chain 1 and turn. Then make a single crochet in the first stitch. In the 7 treble crochet shell, we're going to ignore our first and 7 treble crochet. We're going to work in the middle 5 treble crochet only. So skip the first stitch and make 2 double crochet in each of the middle 5 treble crochet. 2 more double crochet, 2 more, 2 more, and 2 more. So we will have a total of 10 double crochet stitches, 2 stitches in each of the middle 5 stitches. And then we do a single crochet above the previous single crochet. And we repeat the process over the next 7 treble crochet shell. Make 2 double crochet in each of the 5 middle treble crochet stitches. Then a single crochet in the single crochet. Continue this across the row. At the end, just make your last double crochet. There won't be a last single crochet to work into. Fasten off and weave in your ends. At this point, I usually take a dowel or a thicker wire stem and some hot glue. I glue the stem to the end of the flower that didn't have a single crochet at the end. And then I roll it along the green part. Now it's up to you which end you want to start on. Plus you can also have the double crochet row facing outwards or inwards. Always look different, but still very nice. It's a good idea to take a yarn needle and a strand of yarn and weave in a couple of times along the flower's pink edge so that it holds the flower together. Many of my other videos show how to make leaves, so if you make a leaf and want to attach it, I use some green floral wire and bend it in half. You'll want to get some green floral sticky tape. Take the tape and wrap it around the stem. Then just incorporate the wire from the leaf into the sticky tape stem. And that's it. That's how I crochet a rose flower bouquet.